Introducing the Jamaica Health Box Colon Cleanser, your natural solution for gentle cleansing and optimal digestive health. Crafted with time-honored Jamaican herbs, it's designed to support your body's natural detoxification processes and promote overall well-being. Why cleanse? A healthy colon is vital. Our colon cleanser supports improved digestion, reducing bloating and discomfort. It aids nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the most from your food. And it can boost energy levels by eliminating waste and toxins that weigh you down. Our formula features senna leaf, a natural laxative, cascara sagrada for gentle bowel stimulation, aloe vera, known for its soothing properties, and ginger to ease digestion and reduce inflammation. Each ingredient works synergistically to support a healthy and balanced gut. Why choose Jamaica Health Box? Our colon cleanser is a gentle yet effective formula crafted with authentic Jamaican herbs. We prioritize natural ingredients and traditional knowledge, offering a safe and supportive path to digestive wellness without harsh chemicals or artificial additives. Trust in nature. Trust in Jamaica Health Box. Ready to experience the benefits of a healthy colon? Visit jamaicahealthbox.com today to learn more and order your colon cleanser. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a knowledgeable representative. Take control of your digestive health naturally with Jamaica Health Box.